Hello and welcome to Retive's Creations Math Quiz. This video is sponsored by Cube, which somehow guessed a future video. I'm honestly surprised by that. Okay, finally it can go 10 seconds without it turning off. Good job, phone. Okay, so I hope you didn't hear that. So firstly, what is the successor of 1481? By the way, if you don't know what a successor is basically the number you want to success plus 1. Alright, so have you locked in your guesses? If you pick A, then you're correct. I would be surprised if you pick B, C, or D, because you're most likely a preschooler if you do that. Or you just didn't listen. What is 13 plus 42? Have you locked in your guesses? If you picked C, you're correct. Now, what is 23 times 5? Have you locked in your guesses yet? If yes, be sure you've picked D, because that's the correct answer. What is 5 cubed? Locked in your guesses? Of course, it's D. What the? Hey, it's not supposed to do that. Hey, it's 125. What is 3 tetradated to 3? 27, 34,321. 12,343,212,302, or 7,625,597,484,987. If you guess option C, then you're correct. I'm not saying all of that. I'm not saying 7 trillion yet again. Is 3 pentated to 3 possible to imagine? If so, it would be way too much. Now imagine how many digits that would possibly be. So that's why no. Cube roots. What number will you switch here? 7, 4, 0, 8, or the other 8? Okay, have you locked in your guesses? If you picked E8, you're correct. Be warned, because there's an entire keyboard happening in the next question. What should stay the same as the last digit? A, 145690. B, 123578. C, 123478. D, 236890. If you chose A, then you're correct. I warned you, there was an entire computer coming up ahead. What should we ignore here? Oh goodness, I have to go through 30 options. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, A, B, G, A, C, H, A, D, I, A, E, J, B, C, K, B, D, L, B, E, M, C, D, N, C, D, O, D, E, P, A, B, C, Q, A, B, D, R, A, B, E, S, A, C, D, T, A, C, E, U, A, D, E, V, B, C, D, W, B, C, E, X, B, D, E, Y, C, D, E, Z, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, E, A, B, B, A, B, D, E, C, C, A, C, D, E, D, D, B, C, D, E. If you somehow managed to read that without slowing it down, then you pretty much have quite a fast reading speed and reaction time. If you haven't guessed, it was option 25/Y. Wait, if you haven't guessed, if you locked in your answers correctly, then it should be CDE, Y. I'd be surprised if you guessed this correctly because that's a 1 in 30 chance. Japanese trick. What is this? Plus, wait, U minus times E divided by. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed, I actually use the Japanese letters. What's getting multiplied? You could just say this for yourself. I'm not going to say all that. Have you also locked in your answer? If it was 21 times 32, you're correct. Is this correct? Be careful, this is only from 1 to 19. If you locked your answer at no, then you're correct. Also, did you hear that triple drop thing sound? It's actually because my phone dropped. Sorry about that. Now, what's wrong here? Do you remember I said 1 to 19? Okay, I'm back, and 9 is a composite. 1 is not a prime nor a composite. 14, 15, 16, and 18 are missing. Well, there's only one question here. How does this thing work? Be sure you paused it because this is the answer. Now squaring. Squaring 3-digit numbers with 0 in the middle. I only included squaring because I do not want to write all of that. What should be squared first? 6 or 9? 9. If you've locked in your answers, you should use 6 first. Now, what should be squared next? 0 or 9? If you chose 9, then you're definitely correct. What should I do? 6 times 9 times 2, or 6 times 9 plus 2. So it's 56 or 108. If you've logged in your answers at A, then you're correct. And now there's only just 2 frames for this because I did not want to add an entire separate thing. In fact, the next topic was actually made before functions. Where is the input? Where is the output? Where is the converter or something? I actually do not know. Have you locked in those answers? Because X, Y, F. And now, let's start. What is the most basic type? Natural numbers. Of course. What is the natural numbers plus the negative natural numbers? There's plus 0. Wait, what the? Okay, so I think I fixed it a bit. So the answer is integers. What is the type of any operation of two integers and or more? If you've locked in your answers at algebraic, you're correct. What is the type of ratio of two integers? If you've locked in at rational, then you're correct. What is not considered as a number? Is it a real number? Imaginary. What is the imaginary and the algebraic mixed together? And of course, that is complex. Hey, it doesn't end here. Here, as we still have a real, which is physically every single one on the x-axis. If you've got somewhere between 0 to 4 questions correct, like you're at 7th place, Slowpoke. If you got, wait, what? 4 to 9? 9? I mean, 5 to 9. And you're at 6th place. Yes. Hey, you're a little faster than that Slowpoke over there. If you got 10 to 12 points, you barely passed over an inch. And you're at 5th place. Nice. That was slim.